Hey, if you're a big fan of Lake Martin and a waterfront home's not in your budget and you want more privacy than a condo, 166 Weatherford Circle might be a great fit for you. It's got deeded water access to Lake Martin through a neighborhood park, but the house is really cool. It almost feels like a mountain house. Like houses you'll see in the mountains, they really did a lot with the space. They got a half bath and like a butler's pantry on the main level. That's the primary bedroom right there. You go upstairs and you got another bed and bath there, and then you go downstairs and you got another bed and bath down there. Like I say, plus the screen porch, the fire pit area, got a cool spot to watch TV right here. Like I said, one of the best parts about this house is the neighborhood and the neighborhood park, so let's go check that out. I'd love to show the house to you. If you think it might be a great fit for you, just please give me a call. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty.